an account of some familial abuse that was a very difficult read. It was a real event, and again, I don't want to give away too much, but I was really like in shock and awe about not even necessarily the severity of the abuse that this individual had suffered, but more there was this unnerving, almost like ritualistic nature about it. And it's not, it doesn't come verbatim from this into the story, but I was fascinated by just like how it was so unnerving to read about, and the way it sort of involved everyone in the family. I just had in my head, like, what must that be like? Like, how do you see and even sort of participate in this, and then how you get past that? So I'd say that's the primary thing that got me to this story. Again, it's not all fun and games, so don't always write fun stories, unfortunately.